Today, we're going to talk about how to find your bank account number for Santander Bank. Now, this might seem a bit tricky, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Firstly, one of the easiest ways to find your bank account number is by checking your personal checks. At the bottom of the check, you'll see a series of numbers. The 10 or 11-digit number is your bank account number. If you don't have your checkbook handy, you can also find your bank account number online. For Santander Bank, if your bank account number has 11 digits, the bank routing number is 011075150. If your bank account number has 10 digits, the bank routing number is 231,372,691. Additionally, you can log into your online banking profile and find your account number there. Remember, knowing your bank account number is essential for various transactions such as direct deposits, wire transfers, and bill payments. So, make use of these methods to easily locate your bank account number.